Good day, traders. This is Richard Rube, broadcasting live from downtown Summerlin.
Divergent signal.
Here's our website. These are our weekly trade forecasts. These are our intraday alerts. We teach people to trade the quick and dirty method to take away about 500 a day to keep the job away. It takes about 20 hours of course time and 40 hours of study time. So once you've invested about 60 hours, you should be able to take 500 a day to keep the job away. And if you're not ready yet and you need some more guidance, we'll give it to you. Won't charge you any extra. The price of the course is $500, and that's what we expect you to be able to take out of the market after you learn how to do it. If you'd like to learn how to do it, we'll teach you how to do it. So let me give you an overview so you'll know whether or not you want to investigate it further. We're looking at 6 instruments. These are my favorite 6. There's only 36 instruments in the futures trading community. You might find a few more if you dig real hard, but they're so vague and out of scope of the mainstream that they're not worth your time to dig into. We've studied all the futures and found that 36 is the magic number. There are about 36, and we're looking at 6, 1/4. Actually, 1/8. I'm not very good at arithmetic, but I do know how to take 500 a day to keep the job away by working an hour. And we find the best hour to work is between
RSI oversold.
And that's one of our indicators. So let's take a look and see which one of these RSIs is oversold. Is this one right down here? This is silver. So silver is ready for a buy, maybe. Let's finish the investigation. We'll blow it up here, take a look at it. Notice how price has gotten all the way down here to really, really low. We'll show you the number here. Kind of have to move all these things up just to see the number. It's 22, and it told us that it was oversold when it got to 21.6. Okay, so that's what we look for. And now we know it's oversold. We can buy it. So I want to get this fixed to where it's displaying well. And I'll bring this back down here like that and scunch this down here. So just right. So now we're going to buy silver. So let me show you how to do that. We set up this data box, or this depth of market, and we find silver. We come all the way down to alphabetically to the S's and find silver. Here it is right here. We're trading December silver. So we're going to go into it right now.
Order pending.
Uncheck these things here. I got too many silver boxes. They shouldn't have been checked at all. So this is should be crude oil up here, and we're trying to get filled on that silver trade, and we're trading November crude oil, and then we're trading the euro over here, it's going to be, we're trading the December contract to that. And then over here, up here, this is gold. We always put our gold up there on the upper right, down here. And down here is our, this is where we want silver. And over here, we want natural gas. So let's find natural gas and just change this silver to natural gas. And we're trading the November contract to that. And over here, we want this one to be our S&P index. So we got a standing order here and it's not getting filled. So let's move it up here a little
Order filled.
bit, get into it and see if we can't make a little bit of money on silver. So now we're in silver and we've got a stop in here somewhere, but that stop's too loose. So I'm going to tighten it up. We've got a target up here and we'll leave that target where it is at about 30 ticks. And that'll be a nice gain if we get it. Let's show a few more candles here. All right, now this is what we look at while we're trading silver, but we can also still see crude oil, the euro, and gold, and we'll look for sell or buy setups on these while we're managing the trade here on silver. We've already made $47. Now we're up to 70 some dollars, now back down to 40. So it's working its way up. It found support down here. And that's why that alert announced. And now we'll just watch this. So what we do is we work every day for about an hour. And we try to take our 500 a day by taking about 3 of these trades, like this one we just got alert on for silver. And this was an automated alert. It came up because we have an automated alert system on the machine. And it tells us when there's a good buy setup or a good sell setup. We can search for them with our eyeballs, but it's really good to have an audible alert. Hey, what if you're doing something and you're distracted from looking at the market? You get that audible alert and stop everything you're doing and go look and see which one is ready to buy or which one is ready to sell. This one up here is about ready to sell, this euro. And this should be silver over here, actually, because we like to put the silver underneath the gold. And then underneath the euro, we like to put the dollar index. So that should be the dollar index. Here it is right here. And here's that's the dollar index. And this is the natural gas, and up here's crude oil. Here's the euro, there's gold, and here's silver. And our silver is doing pretty good. I'm going to tighten the stop a little bit because if it decides it doesn't want to go up anymore and it comes down, might as well just get out of it with $50 loss instead of a $200 loss. All right, so that is really how we trade. So there's a lot more to learn, but not for this, not in this quick and dirty introduction. This is introduction enough. And it's getting down here now. It's probably going to go back up, but it never goes in a straight line. It could easily get up to, we're up here at 22,785, and we could easily get up here to 23,285. But if we get up to 2,300, or just 23, it's not 2,300. It's 23 with some tick values over here, small change. There's a pretty fancy instrument, silver. It trades at $5,000 a point and $25 a tick. So every time it moves, it adds a tick or takes a tick away, which is $25. So we like it. All right, that's all I have to say at this juncture. It's just a little introduction to how we take 500 a day to keep the job away.